Hello, hello, and howdy, everybody, and welcome back. We're looking at our fifth question on the grade 7, no, not grade 7, grade 8 Gauss from the year 2017. That's why the 7 was stuck in my head. So, as I say, we got question number 5. If you haven't taken a look at it, I would encourage you to do so. I'll even put it up right here. Here's question 5. You can pause the video and try it out. And that's enough time, especially if you've chosen to pause it. Let's try question number 5 here. Very short and simple. 44 times 22 is equal to... So, we can get our calculator out and calculate this. It'll be, 968. I think it is off the top of my head. I don't have my calculator handy right now. We could grab our calculator and, 968, and take each of these possible answers in turn and multiply them out and ask, okay, which one's equal to 968? And that's a fine way to do it. But you're going to have to calculate each one of these 5 given answers until you find the right one. Well, I'd rather not do that. I'd like to be exact. I'd like to be mathematical so that I could get the answer even if I wasn't just given 5 possible answers. If I was given an infinite number of possible answers, could I figure it out? So the first thing I notice is that all of these answers start with an 88. Okay, well, I've got 44 times 22. Now, 44 isn't quite 88. It's half of 88. But what have we got? Well, I suppose we can fit it down here. 44 times 22. Well, we've got a 2 inside this 22. We can write this as 44 times 2 times 11. Oops, too many ones there. And then we can sort of bring that 2 and combine it with the 44 because, well, multiplication doesn't care where the brackets are. And then I've got 88 times 11, which I think was B. I'll check in a moment. But there we go, and I haven't used my calculator or anything. Now, if you're faster with your calculator, you probably just grabbed it and figured this one out. But I like doing a little bit of mental arithmetic. I like always writing something down, and I like avoiding the use of my calculator when I can. The reason being is calculators are a very nice tool, but I don't like, if I can help it, offloading the work that I feel like my brain should be doing. I feel like I shouldn't struggle to do a multiplication like 44 times 22, which is why I tried to do it very quickly, 968 all in my head. I think if I just keep relying on my calculator like that for those sorts of things, then someday when I need a really good process for my brain, it might not be trained to do that. It might not be as quick as it should be and things like that. But that's just my philosophy, and that's why I always try and go as far as I can on these contests without a calculator. But if you need one, go right ahead and do it, especially if it's faster. Speed is key, especially on these earlier questions. Now, let me go back and check. Yes, it was B. B is 88 times 11. So there we go. And that finishes up question number 5. So up next, question number 6. I'll see you there.